Most people don't like being called, lazy, but they actually feel lazy. So most people think I am lazy, but that is a lie. I'm not lazy. Yeah. The truth is, there is too many inputs in me, overthinking, too many decisions, too many directions, confused directions in my way. And these are the reason why I don't actually have a direction. I don't actually have a focus, because there are too many things set ahead of me. I begin to do this, I begin to do that, I begin to do everything all together at a time. And the truth is, this actually makes me sad, some of the times, because so many people interpret, my situation for laziness. And I have tried to tell them, this is mental overload. It's not laziness. I'm not lazy, but you people keep saying I am lazy. And sometimes this makes me sad sometimes, honest truth. This actually makes me very, very sad sometimes. And they think I lack, discipline. Not knowing I'm just overwhelmed. Too many ideas, too many expectations, too many tasks to carry out at a particular time. This is my problem, but no one's actually understand this. So if you begin tasks, but always lose focus in all the tasks that you have, this is your solution. Just limit yourself to one particular thing at a time. Don't overload things on yourself. You just have to do one thing and finish it before getting to another. So this is another thing that I realized. I actually consume more than I act. I stroll, I learn, I copy it, but I don't actually execute. So this is what actually works for me. And I know if you try it, it can actually work for you also. So in every 10 minutes, or 15 minutes of learning, I use 30 minutes for action. Let's take for instance, I learned how to wash a plate very clean. So instead of me watching, even up to 5 hours, I just watch maybe like 20 minutes and I use 30 minutes for practical. I learn how to wash that plate, and I actually practicalize how to wash that plate very, very clean. My mind feels busy but unclear. I actually think a lot, but I don't move. So this is the solution I found. I begin to write down my thoughts. I fix one, I move on to the next, and I fix another one, and I move on to the next. That is how I was actually able to pass this phase. I've actually heard a lot of people complain and blame it on someone else, that maybe their parents are not around, their dad is not in the States, that's why they don't have anybody to guide them. They are just going all alone, and that's why this happened, that's why that happened to them, that's why this place is not moving well, that's why this decision is not going as they have planned. But my dear, that is not what you need. This is what you need. I will be honest with you. You don't actually need that much advice from them or even from anyone. You just need to set your priority. Let them be few. You don't have to do everything at once. Let your priority be few. Set your goals. Let them work accordingly, one after the other, step after a step. This is the real fix. This is the real fix to that particular thing you are saying. It's not because you lack advice. Quit accepting that you are lazy, my dear. This thing goes deeper to your brains, and it actually weakens your ability to do more in life. I can tell you that you are not lazy. You are just overloaded. And once you realize this and you fix this, things begin to move well for you. No matter what you do, no matter where you are in life, growth begins to open for you. So thank you for watching, and a big shout out to you for staying up to this sentence. Thank you for actually coming by every single time. And to my loyal fans who comment, I love you all. See you next video. Bye for now.